Hello everyone, welcome to Keyapp YouTube channel, the company that helps you in App Store optimization and keyword promotion. And we hope that all of you already tested our new platform and ready for the full transition to the new dashboard. And today we are going to talk about installs actually, as usually, but you ask us a lot about the difference between different types of installs we have on a platform. So let's discuss this topic. So let's start the discussion of the main differences between keyword installs and CPI campaigns that are both available on our platform. So if you worked with our platform previously, you know that the main service we provide is, of course, keyword promotion. If you haven't worked with our platform yet, do not worry, just contact our support team or our managers and we will be happy to create the keyword promotion strategy exactly for your application. But still, keyword installs is one of the main tools that is used to attract organic traffic from the search to your application. We do understand that App Store optimization is extremely important, and actually it is the first step you may do after the app release, so to work with organic traffic. But of course it is also needed to remember that do not focus only on paid user acquisition. Work with App Store optimization. But if you have already done everything possible in App Store optimization, like several iterations, you changed the keyword, the application got the positions in the search list, it is high time to start to work with keyword promotion, as we do understand that nowadays both Google Play and App Store are competitive stores. There are a lot of applications and App Store optimization usually is not enough to get top positions in the search, while keyword promotion can give this result. But let's discuss keyword installs more precisely. I think usually it is possible to think that keyword installs are giving real users who will generate an app activity and some income for your application. Unfortunately, it is not so, as keyword installs are just a tool to increase the positions. Actually, it is a tool to use in keyword promotion, and in such a way, after the position is increased, the application will be already possible to get some organic traffic. So if you work with keyword installs, do not think that exactly this traffic will give some users. The main aim of keyword installs is, of course, to increase the ranks, and at our side these installs are created the same way, like we do everything possible. Google and Apple algorithms react to installs and actually increase the rank, so we are able to provide top positions for your application in any country for any possible keyword. Also, of course, we do understand that it is our main service, so we pay a lot of attention to the quality of this service and to some settings on the platform you may use to proceed with keyword promotion. Of course, it is the first service, like mentioned in ad campaign section, and you may actually proceed with different strategies in keyword promotion. If you would like to know more about the strategies for Google, Apple, just go to our channel and watch some previous videos. But still, on our platform, there are all the tools needed for the keyword promotion that can be useful for you when you start the campaigns. Of course, first of all, we are talking about the campaign settings, where you can add the application to the region among more than 100 available regions, and just set some settings like different volumes for the keyword daily, different keywords, a different number of days in promotion. And of course, we do not forget about my keyword section, that actually is the first step before keyword promotion, before the campaign setting. This section helps you to analyze the keywords, choose the keywords, and of course, analyze the results after the promotion with all the graphs of the increase. And if we are talking about CPI campaigns, of course, we don't understand that it is a kind of different traffic. Actually, this traffic is available only for Google Play at our site, and these are installs from ads. So they are not keyword targeted, like when you set CPI campaign ads with your application are shown on the network, and in such a way users may click the ads and install the application if they are interested. But if to compare with keyword promotion, CPI campaigns can give real active users who can generate in-app activity and income for your application. In such a way, you are able to increase the number of users for your app, especially if the application is new, or if you would like to get the indexation. And we do remember that there are a lot of factors influencing the indexation on Google Play. So in general, if we're talking about both types of traffic, of course it is recommended to make them, and in such a way Google reacts better and can give higher ranks faster. And of course at the same time your application will get active users who can generate in-app activity and income. In today's episode, we have discussed the difference between keyword installs and CPI campaigns, but still, if you have any questions regarding our service, platform, or you just have some notes about the improvements, do not hesitate to contact our support team or your personal manager, and we will be happy to assist. As you may see, we have different services that can help to achieve different aims in mobile marketing.